Take away myself from bad mind people. Take away myself from them. Them are wicked, them are evil. Take away myself from them. You know, see, Jah put the blessing in on me. Me no trigger happy. And if a righteousness Ruddy happy of me, man a star in a life, man no carbon copy. Bad mind see me things and they want to grab it. Wow, wow. You see what bold say? On the work for no things. And stop bad mind people if they would have. Work for what you want. I want to get you in a life. Yeah, ambition man have. Take away myself from dirty heart people. Take away myself from them. Wow, 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 Maddy.
Welcome to Foot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless you, and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, my kings and queens, lion and lioness. Yes, man, I don't know all love and blessings, you know. So give thanks to the Sabbath. Give thanks to life, health, and strength. Saying, yes, man, your health is your wealth. Life is the greatest, cherish each moment. You see me? Thank you for your continuous support. So, may I say, yes, my viewers and subscribers, coming up in this episode, I will share. Me did do a review, a small review on a song here. Take up myself from Bad Mind People, you see me? Yeah, from Ruddy Irie and Jade. You see me? Produced from one label in Miami there, you see me? Yes. Free Cleanway Records, you see me? Yeah, man, so we're going to run through it properly right now because the song a trend, the song a create a buzz, and me actually like the words of the song, you see me? Yeah, man, so big up yourself, Ruddy and Jade. You see it? Cleanway Records, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, but before we get into it, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to make on Usaint Bolt. Say, yeah, Ruddy say, we Usaint Bolt to tell the youth them, say, yo, work for no one. You see me down bad mind people, so, you see it? Yeah, man, so we're going to make on the area Usaint Bolt. I say, big up Usaint Bolt, and I hope you get your justice for your money. You see me? And, yeah, man, I just righteousness with say, man, live clean and pure, is it? Don't bad mind people, alright.
People, stop bad mind people for them off. You don't know people have to work hard for it. Young youth just work hard and do nothing. Live on a life. Stop bad mind people. Stop it.
Yes, my people, so you hear the legend attack Usaint Bolt. It's like the man just realize that people really bad mind, you see me? Man make you know say yo, don't bad mind nobody for them things, cause you don't know how hard them have to work for it. And for the young youth, say me make them money, just make on the money and live on the life. Stop hype and show off on people and stop bad mind people. So with no further delay, let's get into the song right now. Take myself from Bad Mind People. Produced by Cleanway Records. Sung by Ruddy Irie and Jade. Nah, I'm a lie, never tell a lie.
In life, when the fire burn, you know, we don't want to involve with them, you know. Take away myself from bad mind people. Take away myself from them.
Yo, you see if you're bad mind, you're not gonna like that song, yeah. That's the right thing. Take away yourself from them. Don't let them draw you out. So I say, just take away yourself. Isolate yourself from them.
Them are wicked, them are evil. Take away myself from them. Wow, 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 wow. Just put the blessing in on me. Me no trigger happy. And if a righteousness, Ruddy happy. Man a star in a life, man no carbon copy. Bad mind see me things and they want to grab it.
Yeah, man, nothing but lone righteousness from Ruddy Irie, man. If you listen to the words, you see me? You have to be careful of some people. Don't trust them. Friends and family too. You think a joke? Alright, more into the song.
And the nice set of people get the wickedest fight. My friend go at everybody party, and them not come off him last night. Look on me career in better than stadium light.
Why Ruddy you couldn't say it no better? In a life, you want to support for support, man. If you support me, will support you. So Ruddy say him friend go everybody party, and the man keep filming and nobody not turn up. That not right. You see me? Ruddy also say that him career brighter than stadium light. You see me? I agree with this man. And from where the Ruddy a shoot hard in the musically, you know. Yeah, man, I only think Ruddy have gone with in the dancehall scene. And people no look out for Ruddy Irie Gambia tour where I come up to. You think I lie? Never tell a lie. Alright.
Respect people who respect me. Check for people who check for me. Bad mind people stay far from me. Keep them from a distance. Cause Father God to guide me.
Yes, so the female artist I know goes by the name of Jade. And she and Ruddy do the song, seen? And she says she respect people who respect her. She check for people who check for her, seen? Bad mind people stay far, you get me? As Bob Marley said, your worst friend can be your best friend can be your worst enemy. You see me, some of them laughing at your face and them a dig out your heart. And for them a hold you down. I want you to see you strive past them, you know. Before they help you enough, you make no say. If you reach, them a reach. No, them a try to hold you down because them want to reach before you. And you are the one who have the ability to open the door for them. But them don't see it that way. You see me? Yeah, man. So big up yourself, Jade. People, moving at the song.
Them a go on like when rain fall. Happy them house up alone the rain fall pan. Science again that can't do me nothing. The Obia again that can't touch me button. The Lawrence again that can't do me nothing.
Yes, man. You have some people go like if them alone forget the limelight and the shine and everything. You see me? Rain no fall pan one man no stop. And that Ruddy make you know. Ruddy also make you know say I'm blessed and I'm protected. No science Obia Guzu can hold him. You see me? Because he's protected by the Most High. Plead my cause, oh Jah. You see me? Fight against those who fight against me. Yes, man, Ruddy Irie. Don't make Ruddy pray for you or cry for you, know. Remember, say Ruddy guy in church, you know, and him a God-fearing youth, you know.
Ruddy no trouble people, nobody no pay trouble me. Me no licky, them can't catch me. No near me, them can't tie me. Me no fish head, so them can't fry me. Take away myself from bad mind people. Take away myself from them.
Hey, with all I Ruddy, big up say, I Ruddy choose some word. I Ruddy say, they can't poison him, because I'm not licky, him not drinky. You see me? And him a fish head, so they can't fry him. Ruddy not drop no catch, and him not take no check. Alright.
You put the blessing in me no chiga happy. And if a righteousness, Ruddy happy have it. Man a star in a life, man no carbon copy. Bad mind see me things and they want to grab it. And the nicest set of people get the wickedest fight. My friend go everybody party, and them no come and feel last night.
Hey, me not lie. The more you listen to the song, the more you hear the expression in a Ruddy Irie voice. You see me? Yeah, man, the man voice full of emotion and meaning. The man said the nicest people get the wickedest fight. And that's true. I remember when somebody tell me, say, you're talented, but you're too nice, you're too humble. Dancehall, especially dancehall, is a dog-eat-dog world. Also the reggae, but mainly the dancehall. That's why I see enough of the artists, them fight against them one another, so and, you know, tear down them one another and diss them one another because everybody want the limelight. But me not see it that way there, you see me? Which is right. I just live in love and peace, man. What for you, what for you. When I your time, I your time. You see it, Ruddy? Alright.
Take away myself from them. If me see amongst them, me I go be one of them. See amongst them, me I go be one of them. That's why me take away myself from bad mind people. Take away myself from them.
Yeah, man, take away yourself from them, Ruddy, are the right thing. That you see me? If you stay around them, you're going to drain them, you're going to gain and attract them energy. So you see me? You don't want them bad energy rub off my you. So take away yourself from them, are the right thing. You see me? Don't make the evil make you pre-evil. So big up yourself, Ruddy Irie and Jade. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the song. You can check out the song. It's available on YouTube and all digital platforms. I remember it's a Clean Way Records. Zane Production. Yeah, man, you don't know. Big up Clean Way Records. You see, Ruddy Irie going a nice song. Jade, big up yourself, the bad singer there. Viewers and subscribers, I hit that for me. Big up on yourself. You don't know I love and respect and support. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And if you decide to do so, think twice before you make that choice. Alright? A Lionfoot, I'm out. Not another word that I'm out.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.